गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग पता एक नया टॉपिक करने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है इंटीजर्स। सो लेट अस रीड अबाउट इंटीजर्स। ओके, सो गाइस, व्हाट इज इंटीजर? Will you play a game with me? Okay. So let us play a game which, okay, the integer or integer monopoly. Okay. So, in Hindi version. Okay. So इस गेम में सबसे पहले तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इसके लिए हम लोगों को क्या करना होगा, एक रोबोट है जिसको क्या करना है, पार्सल जो है वो डिलीवर करना है। पर आपको पता है वो एक रोबोट है, तो उसको पहले टेस्ट तो देना ही पड़ेगा। टेस्ट में उससे पूछ लिया गया है उसके सिटी के हिसाब से एक सवाल। तो उससे पता क्या पूछा गया है कि आखिर इंटीजर नंबर लाइन क्या होती है, यानी कि इंटीजर्स होते क्या हैं। तो आप ये जानना चाहेंगे? ओके, सो लेट अस नो। सो हियर दिस इज द रोबोट। ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट व्हाट टू डू, let's do it practically. So here, as you can see that here's the robot. Let us put it on 0. Okay, now are you able to see that what they are here are written? Here are written negative and integer. My robot is confused what to do. So what to first we have to know that what is negative integer and what is positive integer. The numbers which has the, yes, you are right, minus sign, and the number which has plus or not any sign before it is called positive, and the minus sign is called, in negative number or negative integer. So the students that have listened that integer has only the minus, no, that's what is wrong. That is totally wrong. So what is integer? Integers, that we know that on adding any two whole numbers we always get a whole number. Okay, let leave it. So जो इंटीजर्स होते हैं ये एक तरीके के नंबर्स हैं। ओके, इसमें दोनों आते हैं, पर अंतर इसमें क्या है आखिर? इसमें अंतर ये है कि इसके ये जो इंटीजर्स के टू पार्ट्स होते हैं, नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव। नेगेटिव में माइनस साइन लगता है, पॉजिटिव में कोई साइन नहीं या फिर प्लस लगता है। सो अब हम लोग कुछ सवाल सॉल्व करते हैं। ओके, अब इसका अगला सवाल है कि अपोजिट लिखना है। आवाज़ को अब आप इग्नोर करिएगा। अपोजिट लिखना है कुछ चीज़ों का जो नीचे सवाल दिए गए, तो चलिए उसको देखते हैं। कॉस्ट ऑफ 5000 रुपीज़। सब इसका अपोजिट कैसे होगा? आप कंफ्यूज है ना? कुछ लोगों को तो आंसर आ गया, पर जिनको नहीं आया उनका क्या? सो जिनको नहीं आया उनको बता दूँ, आपने यहाँ पे नोटिस किया व्हाट हैज़ बीन रिटन? टेल, yes, it has been written loss. So think that you are going to like here I find a home shop. I mean that a shop inside the home and a girl. Okay. You are right. Like you are going to, yes, the shop. And what you have buy? Yeah, a glass of milk. And you have pour it. Okay. So, how many rupees did you give? You give 5,000 rupees. Then you think that the big glass of, not a glass, think that's a 2 to 3 jar of milk. You that you have bought a milk, it's not of 5,000, is it of 2,000? Or you realize that it is of, yes, 1,000 rupees only. And what you have paid? 5,000. So, what you realize that you have a loss of 4,000. But after some time, you realize that the amount you have given, that is, yes, less than the amount which is real. You realize that you have given the 5,000, but the real cost is 10,000. Then what it will be? Yes, your profit. Well, this is wrong thing. You are seeing my video, yaar. Yes, you are seeing Fuhar's video. So that will be wrong, that if you will not return the extra money. Okay. So what you see, that what happened? Loss of 5,000. And its opposite is profit of 5,000. So the question we have, loss of 5,000 rupees is, yes, profit of 5,000 rupees. Yep. Finally, what we got? The opposite one. Now, what's our next question? 30 kilometers east of Delhi. So, now you're thinking that what thing will be opposite? Yes. So, the opposite is east. Like that, here's your destination and you are moving. Here's the Delhi. Okay. In Delhi's Red Fort. So let's draw it. And so I have drawn. And here's a 1 point. Here's a 1 point. Now here's the north, here's the south, and one side east, one side west. Now you are thinking that did I have written wrong or right? Tell me in that a comment, because I'm not fool. That you have to tell me in the comment. Okay? So leave it. Okay, leave it. Like you are moving here, that is east, and for opposite the front of is west, so you will move here. So that's why the opposite of 30 kilometer is east of Delhi is, yes, 30 kilometer west of Delhi. So the opposite I have tell you too many. Now let us go to another point. Are you able to see this chart? So you know that what about thing that is chart? Okay, so have you noticed that in all the plus sign has been, it means that the integer addition. So in the integer addition there are some properties that in integer addition we have any number that has plus, that means a positive integer. So the plus number will be plus, minus number will be minus. That means, yes, you are right. That means if any negative integer and another negative integer are adding, so the number or the answer will be also the negative integer, like minus a plus minus b is equal to minus c. Okay, that means the answer will be also the integer. If it's first plus and after then it's a minus, what are you listening? Yes, if it's first plus and after then minus number, so the answer will be in the plus or the positive integer. And if again you get the positive integer first and yes, negative integer last, so what you are noticing? Yes, that is negative. Okay, I will tell you that how is it possible. I know that you are confusing. I will tell you. And did you notice something? That in all these numbers, this and this are small, but this number and this number is big. Yes, you find it. So if you have the large positive number and a small negative integer, or you can say that the positive integer big and the small integer but small, so you will get the, yes, you are right, any positive integer. And if you have a integer, positive integer and negative integer both, but if positive integer is small and negative integer is big, so your answer will always be a negative integer. Now like a minus a, okay, plus minus a plus like plus c. Okay, so what you noticed? In a and c, the c is bigger, that means the plus sign is bigger. So the answer has to become in the plus. Why? Because the positive integer is bigger. What if we write the minus c plus a? So the answer will be in the negative integer. Why? Because the negative integer is bigger than the positive integer. So that was the today's video. and like more videos like this, follow me, no, subscribe me and press the bell icon. Thank you.